In this video, we're going to look at how we can download WebViewer and break it into chunks that are small enough, less than 5 megabytes, to upload into Salesforce. So let's start off by downloading WebViewer from the Apryse website. Next, you need to extract all the files from the zip file. Now let's go into the new folder and create a new terminal window. We're going to be using a script that's supplied with WebViewer, but before we can do that, we need to install the dependencies using npm i. This will take a little while to run, and you may see some warnings associated with some of the modules that are downloaded. These are safe to ignore. They're not used by WebViewer, and you can delete them once you run the optimized script. So let's do that. Enter npm run optimize, and it's going to lead you through a set of questions. The actual questions you see will depend on which version of WebViewer you're using. Currently, I'm using WebViewer 11.4, but with earlier versions, some of the options are different. So, yes, we'll back up our files before optimizing. No, we don't want WebViewer server. We won't use the XOD file format. Yes, we do want client-side Office support for DOCX files and legacy files. We do need the full API. For now, we won't use the production version of pdfnet.js. We won't enable content editing. We will enable Office editing and Spreadsheet editing that's available in 11.4. And we want to deploy to Salesforce. OK, so click on Y, and the script will go ahead and remove all of the files we don't need. And then it will compress the rest into modules that are less than 5 megabytes in size, so they're small enough to upload to Salesforce. Now you can copy the zip files and the resource meta files from the WebViewer Salesforce folder and copy them into the static resources of your project. In the next video, we'll look at how we can actually get your project running within Salesforce. Thank you for watching. Catch you next time.